The upcoming iPhone SE4 is shaping up to be Apple's most impressive budget offering yet, packed with features that bring it closer to flagship territory. Leaks and spec sheets have given us an exciting preview, with a recent reveal that only adds fuel to the excitement. This time, a transparent case for the upcoming model was shared by PipFix on X, providing a unique glimpse into the likely form factor. The design, visibly modeled around the familiar shape of the iPhone 12, hints that Apple may keep things minimalist, focusing on a practical and protective design. The excitement doesn't stop at the case, though. Just recently, prolific leaker Jukan Losrev shared an entire sheet detailing what's packed inside this budget-friendly powerhouse. From the upgraded processor to camera enhancements, the sheet outlines significant upgrades that suggest Apple's commitment to providing a competitive experience for a more accessible price point. Let's take a deep dive into the impressive lineup of features and upgrades reportedly on offer. The first standout feature is the 6.06-inch LTPS OLED screen, which marks a step up from previous models that traditionally featured LCD screens. The OLED panel will offer a crisp 2532 by 1170 resolution, bringing richer colors and deeper contrast levels that are ideal for streaming, gaming, or simply browsing photos. The display promises up to 800 nits of peak brightness, ensuring visibility even in direct sunlight, a notable benefit for outdoor use. Under the hood, the device packs the A18 chip, the same processor found in the current iPhone 16 and 16 Plus models. Paired with 8 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, this device is more capable than its predecessors, boasting faster data transfer and improved energy efficiency. Storage capacity also sees an upgrade with a base of 128 GB compared to the lower storage options available in past models. Battery life is also receiving some attention, with a larger 3,279 mAh battery, a significant 62.5% boost from the previous model's 2018 mAh battery. With 20-watt wired charging and MagSafe wireless charging support. This model also supports Qi2 wireless charging up to 15 watts. Another notable addition is the single 48-megapixel rear camera with the Sony Exmor IMX904 sensor, renowned for its sharp detail and color accuracy, paired with a 12-megapixel front-facing camera. Other standout features include Face ID, a long-awaited addition that brings this model in line with higher-end Apple devices. In terms of durability, the IP68 water and dust resistance rating is another significant feature. Connectivity also sees notable enhancements with the inclusion of Apple's custom 5G modem, codenamed Centauri. Alongside 5G, the device supports Wi-Fi 6. Earlier, images were leaked by Makotakara, a Chinese website that, via Alibaba sources, revealed a 3D printed mock-up of the iPhone SE4. The mock-up shows that the SE4 will adopt dimensions similar to the iPhone 14, featuring a 6.1-inch screen. A notable change is the transition to a USB-C port, aligning with Apple's broader move away from Lightning connectors. Additionally, the phone will sport slim edges, measuring just 2 millimeters from the body to the display. Makotakara's sources also shared that Apple initially considered both a 6.1-inch model and a larger 6.7-inch variant, akin to the iPhone 14 Plus, but ultimately opted to focus on the 6.1-inch version. The mock-up also highlights a slightly smaller rear camera and a repositioned ring or mute button, indicating further design refinements. Apple suppliers are expected to start mass production of the fourth-generation iPhone SE in December 2024, as reported by supply chain analyst Ming-Chi Kuo. Approximately 8.6 million units are projected to be produced by early 2025. The anticipated release date is set for March 2025, with a rumored price range between $499 and $549. Do you think the price increase is justified by the upgrades? If you're excited about this model, make sure to subscribe to our channel